What is this sound? This is a sound coming from a computer when there is a error, such as there is a booting problem or there is a starting problem is there. So there are many ways a computer can give a symptom about the issue in terms of a text message or like a beep sound. So what we are hearing now, it is a one kind of error. The computer is showing you a symptom. This is called it is a long beep sound. Probably that could be one of the reason the RAM is having some issue, so it is showing it. So what we'll do now, we'll open the computer and then we'll disconnect the power supply, and then we'll detach the RAM from the RAM slot, and then we'll put it back tightly. So there may be some small maybe some loose connection in the RAM, because we were shifting the computers from one place to another place during the transition. Due to some shock, it is having some connection issue. So now we have removed the RAM and then we put it back in the slot. Now we give the power supply. I hope it works. Yeah, that's it. I think the fan started turning. Now there is no beep sound. It totally stopped. Now you can see the system starting up. You can see the screen. We get the display.